Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change buttons mapping for Razer Basilisk Ultimate. And to do this you will need to download Razer Synapse app on your PC. Then when you install it, click on your mouse, and here in the customize you can see all of the buttons on your mouse. You can click on each of them to change their functions. There's also option to see all of the buttons right here on the left, but we're gonna go with this one. Now there's different keys that we can assign. So there's keyboard functions, you can record any keys, mouse functions, sensitivity. Here you'll be able to change the DPI level with the specific button, enter device, switch profiles, switch lightning, Razer hypershift if you enable it right here, or launch a program. That way you'll be able to open any program or website with just one click of a button. You can control multimedia with this button, open any Windows shortcuts like launch calculator or anything right here. Use the text function, so here you can enter basically any text, and then when you save it and then click anywhere you will enter this text. You can also disable this button if you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.